everyone. It's Mrs. Freeman back again for another installment of Music with Mrs. Freeman and the Music Lab, part of the Learning Innovation Lab. It is so good to be back to see you. I can't wait to see you in person, but I will take this and we will have a great time. So, last time I saw you, we learned about the Learning Innovation Lab and how we're going to have music in the Learning Innovation Lab. So before we get started, I would love to teach you how to show me that you're ready for music. I'm going to say, "Are you ready?" And you're going to say, "I'm ready." Let's practice. Are you ready? That was pretty good. Now, let's add something to that. Let's add some sign language. Can you cross your peace fingers like this and give a little wiggle? That means ready. Ready. So if I ask you, "Are you ready?" You're going to say, "I'm ready." Let's give it a shot. Hey everyone, are you ready? Nice. Now what are we ready for? We're ready for some music. We're ready for music. So the sign for music, we're going to add that right here. Some of you might already know it. The sign for music. So if I ask you, "Hey everyone, are you ready for music?" You're going to answer, "I'm ready for music." Let's give it a shot, shall we? Hey everyone, are you ready for music? Very nice. All right, I'm ready for music too. So let's get started. I would love to show you a Learning Innovation Lab right here. And this is slide 1. It's got all kinds of cool things on it. And one of the things that it has is a very special music symbol, a music icon. And I think it looks a lot like this. You see the words music play and a laptop that's open and a little picture of a laptop inside with some red music notes. Those are actually eighth notes. Yeah, and if you play those two notes, they sound like this. Music. Music. Pretty neat, huh? Music. I'm not kidding, they do. So let's see if we can find this in this lab. Now it's just a random one. I just picked it at random. Looks like it says 3rd grade, but it doesn't matter. Let's look in the resource room because this isn't the resource room. No. This is where you will see the very first slide. This is where you will see the 3 activities that you have to do and that you will have every cycle of 6 days of our schedule. Now, if it were me, I would start with story time, and I encourage everyone to do that. Start with the story because that sets the theme. That sets the theme for Mrs. Fendler and my lessons because we're all going to work with the same theme. Right now, it's back to school. So, start with story time, and then there's a did you know, and then there's a music lab. And those are your main lessons for the 6-day cycle for our specials. I don't know if it matters if you do the did you know next or the music lab next. I think it's up to you. But really start with the story, okay? Start with the story. And then when you're done with your did you know, and you finish your music lab, and you're all done, well, there's lots to be had. We have the Epic Challenge, and you heard about that. Let's go into the resource room and see if we can find the music play computer. Ooh, it's tricky because the word music play is not on it. I'm gonna have to change that. Do you see the laptop with the 2 red notes on it? Oh, yep. So it's right over here. Okay, and if I click it, it's going to take me to the Music Play online website. Okay, now this is for just when you want to go and play some games or do some exploring in the Music Play. When you go in there, you will see that it corresponds to the grade that we were in, the grade of the Learning Innovation Lab we were in. So I was in the 3rd grade Learning Innovation Lab. So the link will take me to the 3rd grade page. So cool. If you're in 2nd grade, 2nd. If you're in 4th grade, the 4th. If you're in 6th grade, the 6th. But I don't have 6th grade right now. So let's take a look over here, because this is where you're going to mostly be playing games, okay? And that's during free time when you're all finished. But sometimes you have a lesson that you need to do, and you will come to this page and I will tell you in my directions which song you're going to do. Here it says song list. So if I want you to do the song, "Oh, I'm Glad to Be Back at School," I will have you choose that song and click on that song, and it will come right here and you will listen to it. In addition to listening to a song, sometimes you get to do an activity with it, and I will provide those. I will post those in a separate place for you, because you need to be able to draw on it or type in it, and I have to create that, and that's separate. So don't worry about anything but listening and playing. Let's check out these games, shall we? Now, if I were you, I would start at the bottom, work my way up, because this is where we start with just listening. Is something fast or slow? Is it high or low? And then it goes on from there. Every game asks you to listen to something different. So make sure you're listening. And make sure you're waiting until you're done hearing. And then you get to decide what it is you should do. Let's play this game together, shall we? The instructions are going to be in the song when I click on it. Let's see. Oh, this happened to me earlier. My goodness. I just was able to do it and now I can't. So I'm going to go to a different page and I'm going to try it on that page. And let's see if I can get to it there. And now I can't. And I'm very disappointed. So my friends, how about this? I will give it one more shot. Oh no, I'm so sad that I can't find a game that I can play with you. This happens sometimes when I'm recording and I don't know why, but I definitely know that they work because I just tested them again a minute ago. So how about this? How about this? When I sign off, you're gonna go to your Learning Innovation Lab and you're gonna click on the link in your resource room. And it's gonna take you to this page. And I would like you to start at the bottom. And I would like you to play the game fast, slow. It's a fun game because you get to dunk somebody in the water and make them all wet. And once you've played it and you could tell and you got all the answers right, then you can play high, low. And you're gonna work your way up until there's no more time left in the class. Okay, but today's gonna be a day to explore. So with that said, I'm gonna say goodbye for now. And I would like to wish you a very good day. And I will see you again very, very soon. Make sure that you're working on your activity packet. Make sure that you are working on all the other activities too, so we all get to help you learn and grow. Bye. See you next time.